the vlog for today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It is cold, very cold outside, and make sure you guys stay warm. I do apologize for not uploading a video the last couple days because I was busy with schoolwork, and I will be uploading a new vlogging schedule because I am busy with school. And I hope you guys understand. Hope you guys still follow me and support my channel. I do thank each and every one of you for liking, commenting on my videos, and subscribing. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And I do hope you guys continue to support my channel. And again, thank you for supporting my channel. Let's get on with today's vlog. Today, we are here with the glowing volcano project. This is going to be a cool project to do. Let's get started. We got a big package here. We have a cardboard circle. We have this other cardboard piece. Looks like we have a piece of paper. We got some paint. We have a tube. A paintbrush. And this little package, I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. We have, looks like a little window. We have this little cap looking thingy. And we have this orange paint. And we have the instructions. The instructions are really important because you want to make sure everything goes really well. Let's build this volcano. it sit and dry. And once it's finished drying, we are going to paint it. I finished painting my volcano, but unfortunately I cannot erupt it because it does need a couple hours to dry. And again, I do want to let you guys know I will be uploading a new vlogging schedule because I will be busy with schoolwork. I hope you guys still follow me and still support my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media. Peace out.